Olivia, wake up. The 2026 World Cup is finally here.
Oh, Liam, stop it. What is wrong with you? My ears are bleeding. Drop that stupid horn right now. Hey everyone, I'm Olivia.
And I'm Liam. Nice to meet you.
If this is your first time watching us, welcome. You found our English podcast channel.
We want to help you learn English, and we want you to hear English more often.
No boring grammar, just real simple English.
Real conversations, real English, and maybe some funny jokes from me.
Mostly his funny jokes? Yes.
If you want to support us, please subscribe to our channel.
Like this video, share it with your friends.
It really helps us.
Thank you so much. Really.
Okay, let's start. I'm sorry, but I'm too excited. Come on, leave the studio. Put on your jersey, grab your scarf, and let's go. Today we are learning English live from the biggest football stadium in the world.
Oh my god, fine. Just stop blowing that thing in the studio. But hey, welcome back to Native Tone English, guys. Today Liam is crazy, but we are actually going to the stadium.
Welcome to Native Tone English, everyone. Today we have a massive surprise for you. We are not inside our quiet studio. Look around. We are standing right outside the stadium for the 2026 World Cup.
Oh my god, Liam. The energy here is absolutely electric. Look at all the colorful jerseys, the flags, and the happy faces. But wait, if our beginners want to enjoy a football match in English, they need the right vocabulary. Let's start with the people around us.
Perfect. Word number 1 is the crowd. Can you hear them? The crowd. This means the big group of fans gathered together. Let's practice a simple sentence. The crowd outside the stadium is huge tonight.
And all these people in the crowd are fans. A fan is someone who loves a team or a sport very much. Liam, who is your favorite team? Are you a football fan?
Oh, I am a massive football fan, Olivia. I watch every single game. But today I am just here for the crazy atmosphere. Look, the gates are opening. We need to go through security and enter the stadium right now.
Wow, it is even bigger inside. But Liam, wait. Before we find our seats, I am starving. The match didn't start yet, and I need some stadium food. I can smell the burgers from here.
Classic, Olivia. You cannot watch a World Cup match without a classic juicy hot dog. Let's go to the food stand over there. But oh no, look at that long line. It goes all the way to the gate.
Perfect time for a language note. When you wait for your food, your coffee, or your tickets, you wait in a line or a queue. Americans say stand in line, but in the UK, people say join the queue. Let's practice. I am waiting in line for a hot dog.
Great. And the person selling the food is the vendor. We pay for our hot dogs, and now let's run to the stands. The players are finally coming out.
The pitch looks perfect today. And look at that man in the black uniform in the center. That is the referee.
Did you hear the commentator? He used a beautiful word. The pitch. In British English, we don't usually say football field. We say the pitch. It means the green grass where the game is played. Let's say it together. The pitch looks beautiful. Yes, the referee is the boss of the game. He makes sure everyone follows the rules. And when he blows his whistle, the match officially begins.
Look, Liam, number 10 has the ball. He is running fast down the pitch. He passes to number 9. Oh, he shoots.
Goal! What an amazing strike! They just scored a goal! Olivia, look at the fans in front of us. They are going wild. Look at them jumping.
Haha, they really are going wild. For our beginners, this phrase means they are super excited, shouting, jumping, and celebrating with pure joy. You can say, the fans went wild after the goal.
The score is now 1-0. The stadium is singing. This is what football is all about. The referee blows the whistle for halftime, so the players are going to rest for 15 minutes.
While the players are resting for halftime, we can enjoy our hot dogs. I can't wait for the second half to start because the atmosphere is just beautiful. Look at the stadium lights.
Welcome back to the second half, everyone. The match is getting very tough. The other team is attacking. We need to support our players right now.
To support means to cheer for, love, and stand behind your team. Liam, in English, how do we ask someone about their favorite team naturally?
Exactly. You can simply ask someone, which team do you support? For example, I support the team with the red jerseys tonight.
Me too. Let's cheer for them. Come on, everyone, shout with us. Go, team, go. Defend the goal.
And that is it. The referee blows the final whistle. Our team won the match 1-0. What a game.
What a beautiful day at the World Cup. Now let's join the queue again to leave the stadium safely.
Wow, what a night, Olivia. My throat hurts from all the screaming. But before we leave this beautiful 2026 World Cup stadium, let's do a quick recap for our listeners. Let's remember the most important football words we learned today.
Me too, Liam. My legs are tired from jumping, but a quick summary is a fantastic idea. Our beginners need to memorize these essential matchday words.
Exactly. Word number 1 was the crowd. Remember, guys, the crowd means the big group of fans inside the stadium. You can say, the crowd was amazing tonight.
And word number 2 is fans. All of you listening to us right now are our language fans. But in the stadium, fans are the people who love their team. For example, the football fans are singing happily.
And my favorite word from British English, the pitch. Don't say football field when you talk to a British person. Say the pitch. The green grass where the magic happens.
Perfect. Then we talked about stadium food, and we learned about the long line or queue. I waited in the queue for 20 minutes for a single hot dog, Liam.
Don't remind me of that long line. But yes, you wait in a line or a queue. And inside the pitch, the boss is the referee. He blows the whistle and controls the entire game. And when your team scores, the fans go wild. This is my favorite phrase. It means everyone is jumping and celebrating with pure excitement.
Exactly. And finally, we learned the word to support. This means to cheer for and love a team. You can ask your friends, which team do you support?
Yes, please. Write your favorite football words or your match scores below. We read every single comment and we want to practice English with you. Let us know. Which football team do you support?
Wow, we learned so many useful words today. Now everyone, it is your turn. Go down to the comments section right now and practice your new skills. Yes, your comments help our channel grow so much. We love reading your sentences. If you support Native Tone English, click that subscribe button right now.
Thank you for sharing this incredible World Cup experience with us, everyone. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Native Tone English, and share it with your football friends.
And if you want to see how we actually learned English words for romance, click on our previous video right here on the screen.
See you in the next episode, everyone. Keep practicing every day. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone. Enjoy the World Cup. See us next week.